Mark is supposed to meet me yesterday and he didn't show up. Girl, I will cut him. Girl, yes I will. You remember what happened last time, right? When he had said he didn't hook up with Tracy and then I had found out he did? Girl, I cut him. Oh girl, yes I did, girl.
Excuse me.
Yes I you see me in the middle of a conversation? Don't interrupt. Rude. I'm gonna have to call you back. Welcome to
We are doing another episode of Ratchet Restaurants. Today on my hit list is Burger King. It's going to be quite a treat. Stay tuned. I have some advice for the world. That I swear, I seen something in what looked like...
What was your most embarrassing moment?
Probably this interview. Man, I promise you I won't be back on this crack.
This is where one man is forced to devour multiple insects in one sitting to be declared.
What's going on, everybody? Just in case you didn't know, that first clip was a skit from Mad TV that they did a while back, throwing shots at Burger King, suggesting that most people who work there are ratchet as fuck. And I can tell you from my own experience that most people who work there really are ratchet as fuck. Every restaurant chain is going to be unfortunate enough to have some of their restaurants in the bad part of town. So some level of ratchetness is prone in all restaurants. But for Burger King, ratchetness seems to be part of their normality. That is why they find themselves on this episode of Ratchet Restaurants. Enjoy. I'm going to take a wild ballpark guess here and say that this Burger King might be somewhere in Florida where there are plenty of Haitians, and my assumption is going to be that this lady is one of those Haitian voodoo witch bitches, because it looks like she's trying to put some kind of curse on this fella.
Yo, get my food, let her get out of here. I'm not this fucking bitch out there that working in here. Yo, give her my food, let her get out of here.
That right there is the face of a demon. Please do not tell me that I am looking at a white girl wearing a bonnet in public. This shit is so raunchy. Let that be a lesson to you, Whitey. I don't know about you, but what I'm hearing in the background is woo! Is this lady pretending to be possessed? Because she looks like she's just trying to make ghost sounds. Now, it never came across my mind that this lady might be high or mentally ill, because when the police showed up, she calmed her ass down real quick. But part of me does believe that she could have been possessed, because she's attacking everybody unprovoked. But if she is possessed, she's got to be possessed by some kind of project demon, because that demon don't want nothing to do with that law. They trying to avoid them charges, boy.
That bitch came to reality real quick.
That's right, that woman telling me she came to this Burger King for dinner with her family and her kids, and while she was leaving, she saw this. There's no mistaking it. That Burger King employee is mopping a table in the kids area. What goes through your head?
Come on, man. What kind of SpongeBob shit is this?
I was just disgusted, honestly. I had just ate on that table. Like, did you do this yesterday? Do you do this every night? Did you do this morning?
Katie Zoran recorded this video at the St. Johns County restaurant and has questions for Burger King. She sent the video straight to corporate and received this response. Thank you again for bringing this matter to our attention, and rest assured that your comments have been forwarded to the appropriate management team.
Can I have the name, please, the number?
It's funny how people start recording somebody and the person recorded pulls out their phone, man. It's like a Wild West gunslinging, but they pulling out phones instead, man. Man, even the dumbasses in the wrong are pulling out their phone to record, man. I don't know what it is in this day and age, man.
I don't care you recording me on mom. I don't. You can show that to whoever you want.
I am. But can I have your name and number?
But cell phones these days are the new generation guns. People gonna start robbing people with phones, man. This is stick up, bitch. Don't make me press record.
Knock that out your hand on mom, because you don't got consent. No, you're not getting my name. Now show them that.
I will show them that.
You think I give a fuck about this? No, I don't.
That boy true.
Get out my drive, you holding up my line. Bye. Bye. Go. You mad? It's
I ain't mad. You the one mad. You the one mad.
You mad?
I ain't mad.
If I knock your phone out your hand, you gonna call the police.
I sure am.
That boy true.
Pull off. Is you finna pay?
Then call the police then.
Fuck I'm calling the police for? I ain't no snitch ass nigga, so fuck I'm finna call the police for.
Then what are you doing then?
What you doing?
I wanted to pay for my stuff.
$5.97.
It's not $5.97. I have a coupon. I'm into
Exactly. Pull off.
Oh, man. I can tell you, man, because I work in retail. And even if a coupon is a day or two expired, we're still nice enough to honor them, man. Just to help people save a little bit of money, man. Now, what's the point of giving out coupons if you ain't gonna let nobody use them, man? And Burger King's like, they're the type of people to give out coupons and be like, hey, what'd I get with it? You get cussed out free of charge.
I don't care about you recording me, bro.
Go ahead.
Do the same thing.
Yeah, we can record each other. Because I'm being reasonable.
It's a stare down.
I don't care. Who you finna report that
your corporate office. That's who I'm sending it to.
I don't give a fuck. Send that
Make sure
shit.
you tell them that.
Oh, bro, I don't care. You think I give a fuck, don't you? But I don't.
At 6, a fast food fiasco caught on camera and a story you'll only see on NBC Charlotte.
Fighting in the Burger King on Nation's Ford Road.
Yeah, and a mother with her young son in the car recorded this video that shows employees throwing punches and screaming obscenities. Unfortunately, this is not the first time we've seen employees or customers fighting in the drive-thru. NBC Charlotte Savannah Levins has the details.
This is a popular spot right off of 77. The mom who recorded that video told me she came through the drive-thru to get her 6-year-old an ice cream cone. A full-on brawl was the last thing she expected. A trip for some BK soft serve.
Fighting in the Burger King on Nation's Ford Road.
Turned into a disturbing show of employees serving punches.
What? Out of the window, right here.
They serving ass whoopings, boy.
That's crazy, yeah.
Lunchtime customers agree
I think that's crazy.
that, yeah, it's just crazy.
You know, if I'm here to get food, that's not the last thing I would want to see.
The mom who took this video upset that her 6-year-old had witnessed the violence and shouted curse words.
You would think that these are people that are employed and supposed to behave professional.
Okay, I just want a refund on my shake, that's it.
I can tell you, I wouldn't even have to watch this whole video, but with this being a Burger King, lady walks in asking for a refund. You already know shit ain't gonna go well. They gonna look at her like, you want a what? Man, she's gonna get her ass whooped. Let's see.
Excuse me, ma'am, who is the manager? Who is the manager? Can I please speak to the manager? Can I please speak to the manager? Can I get a refund right now?
Baby, you about to get it.
Thank you.
Okay? Wait, you better get your shit.
You're cursing. Are you serious?
I'm going to the other side.
Are you serious?
I'm going to the other side. Stop. Get this.
Are you? You cannot treat people like this. This is your job. Are you for real?
No, wait.
I don't know what happened to you today.
No,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for getting caught.
You handed me soft serve ice cream and then gave me some garbage, and I'm not gonna eat it.
Really? Okay, get out.
And
Go
you're
ahead.
rude.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
You are so rude.
I don't give a fuck. Go ahead. Bitch,
You are so rude. Go. It's on those cameras, and it's gonna be. Do not touch me. I'm not taking a picture. I'm making sure that I'm gonna be safe whenever I walk out of here.
What you mean? What you want to go though? Go. Bye. I don't give a fuck. Go ahead.
This place is getting shut down. I will do whatever I can.
Shut down, bro. You took my picture for real? Bitch, you
Get
wanna
off
slapped?
of my
You
foot.
want to get slapped?
This is
You
assault.
wanna get
I'm
slapped?
calling the cops.
I don't
Yes.
fuck all the bitch.
Watch as the windows at this Burger King are smashed in with crowbars. The damage is extensive. Glass litters the restaurant. But this isn't the work of vandals. They work at Burger King, and they call themselves victims of one whopper of a prank. The drama unfolded after employees at the Burger King got an urgent phone call from someone claiming to be from the local fire department. The caller instructed them to break the windows right away because there was a gas leak and the restaurant could explode. But there was no gas leak. Police Captain Tom Hawley of the Coon Rapids, Minnesota Police.
Well, it was pretty convincing, at least to the manager, because she was convinced that the building would explode, and that's why she instructed the employees to take the actions that they did.
Another Burger King, this in Northern California, was the target of a similar prank. The manager actually rammed his car through the windows.
Now I bet people driving down them streets see that shit happening, and they're like, man, it's just another day at Burger King. This kind of shit ain't new, man.
All, he thought, saved his restaurant from blowing up. When cops got there, they quickly figured out it was a prank. It's a growing concern. Fast food chains like Burger King targeted by pranksters.
Hey, go! Girl, you can get your money back. You better move your damn car.
Are there people inside at all?
Hold on now, what did she say? That's why you work at Burger King making $13, ho. What Burger King is paying $13 an hour? I gotta figure out what Burger King this is. What kind of insult is that? That's why you got a huge penis, bitch. What the fuck? Damn, what? This lady didn't give a dog shit if that damn Burger King was on fire. She wanted her fucking refund.
Everything good?
Well, that has been this episode of Ratchet Restaurants. Y'all have a good day.